3 most expensive helicopters in the world. Here are the top 3 most expensive helicopters in the world. Airbus H225 Super Puma. This twin-engined, long-range passenger transport helicopter is the most expensive helicopter in the world, costing $27 million. Sikorsky CH-53K King Stallion. This military helicopter cost $65 million, making it the most expensive helicopter in the world. Boeing AH-64 Apache. This attack helicopter is used by the U.S. Army, Egyptian Air Force, and Israeli Air Force, and Royal Netherlands Air Force, and cost $52 million.